If you've been living under a rock and didn't know, AI has been taking the world by storm. You're seeing people losing their jobs and being replaced in offices, on job sites, even online. Stuff everyday people used to get paid for is now getting done by some computer programming in half the time. The world is changing fast, less work, more competition, everyone fighting and struggling to stay ahead. Even online, a lot of people thought they'd be safe. They started drop shipping, learning how to video edit, or even running small online side hustles. And now AI can do most of that too. So if you're still relying on one 9-to-5 job, one skill, to put it bluntly, you're fucked. That is why it has never been more important, especially heading into 2026, to learn real skills. Skills that actually pay, high income skills, skills that can't be replaced. Because if you can sell, communicate, create attention, lead, I assure you, you'll never go hungry again. So in this video, I'm breaking down for you guys 5 high income skills that AI will never replace heading into 2026, and how you can actually learn one even starting from nothing. Quick backstory, if you don't know me, I'm Cooper, I'm 22 years old. I was working construction myself 18 months ago, earning $1,000 a week until I learned 2 high income skills, which are sales and marketing. And essentially it's changed the whole trajectory of my life and will continue to, because those skills will never leave me. What I've done for you guys on my laptop here is broken down a simple roadmap of the 5 skills to learn, what they are, how to learn them, why AI won't replace them, and even my experience with the 5 of these skills. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. I really want you to take note of where the world is going, how dangerous it is to just be relying on one source of income or one job. And I hope you get some value out of it, and it can really change the whole trajectory of your life in 2026, the same way it did for me in 2024. So looking at my laptop here, 5 high income skills that AI won't replace in 2026. And skill number 1, that being appointment setting, your gateway to sales and replacing your income the exact same way I did in 2024. Is just getting paid to talk to people, book calls, and connect leads to businesses. I have a ton of free guides out there breaking down appointment setting, how to start, how to learn the skill, how to find people to work for so that you can get paid. I'll leave them down below, but I'll give a quick breakdown here so it's a little bit more in depth. Essentially, there's tons of businesses, influencers, coaches out there selling programs in the fitness niche, relationships, wealth. You'd see these sort of guys everywhere. Your favorite people on social media are more than likely doing this. And in an economy where the e-learning space is at $240 billion right now and projected to be an $840 billion industry by 2030, there's only going to be more and more money circulating in this space, meaning that businesses need appointment setters, which are people like you and me, to connect, booking calls for all these people who are interested in their product or service. Now, because we're in the relationship niche, the fitness niche, the wealth niche, these are highly in demand products that will never get oversaturated, will never go out of date. They're big problems in people's life. And because these big influencers are getting so many DMs, people interested, they don't have time to manage it themselves. They'll just hire someone like you to booking calls to the sales team, who will then go on to close the deal. If the deal closes, you earn on average 5% commissions on deals upwards of $5,000. Now you might be thinking, this is something AI could easily replace. You could easily set up a bot just to reply to all these people. Honestly, people are doing that. I've seen it firsthand. As I said here, AI can send a message, but it can't build trust the same way a human can, or sound human, or have that real authenticity or relationship building, which is a massive thing in sales. I think with AI taking the world by storm, businesses have trialed this, and now slowly they're weaning back to realizing that they're gonna make more money by just hiring humans to do this, because the conversion is higher, the relationship and the trust built is higher. And for me, I know over the next 5 years, when managing, setting teams, setting myself, that it's going to be something that I'll never even look into AI for something like this. So my experience with appointment setting is, this is how I made my first real money online doing this. Literally sending DMs while I was working 50-hour weeks on a job site, on Smoko, on breaks, in between my gym sets, and now running my own personal brand, my own business. There is a mass demand of need for qualified appointment setters, human appointment setters. This will be your gateway to making your first bit of money online. It's not going to be the thing that you want to do forever, because realistically, you're probably going to be capped at 5 to 10K a month. But to get off the ground running, to replace your income, to get out of your job, or just to have a second source of income with the way things are going, this is where I would start. This is skill number 1 that I would learn. And learning sales has to be top priority when you're getting into something like this. Sales is something that will never be replaced, can never be replicated, and is the most valuable skill in the world. This is the gateway to reach 5 to 10K a month and leave your job, as I said here. Now, skill number 2 off the back of appointment setting, these got to go hand in hand. I make a lot of videos about appointment setting and closing because it is the best for beginners, and it is the most evergreen thing that will make sure that you earn 6 figures a year for the rest of your life and become irreplaceable. Essentially, what remote closing is it is just on the other side of those, or these booked calls. It's turning conversations into sales. So when you get a call booked booked through from the appointment setters. You're essentially on the other side of that, taking the calls yourself, having a conversation with someone, having the ability to communicate and guide people to make a decision. A lot of people think sleazy sales, but essentially these people are reaching out. They're in a place of need. They're in that position because of the lack of action that they've taken in the past. So a lot of the time they need that push over the edge to make that decision. And that's all your job is. If it isn't a suit for them, then you just point them in the right direction. Now, why AI can't replace this, it will never replace it, is you can't automate emotion. People buy based off trust, tone, and confidence, not scripts or robots being programmed to sell off. You can imagine if you were jumping onto a weight loss program, you wanted to lose weight, it was $5,000 and you're speaking to a robot compared to a human being who can relate to you, who can understand your story. Pretty much guarantee all of you wouldn't be handing $5,000 over to a robot, right? So my experience when I relearned closing, so I actually learned closing, sort of fell off a bit, my income dipped a bit, and then I went back and relearned and sharpened my skills with closing at the start of the year. That's where I went from $5,000 for the month of January to $38,000 by March to April. This literally changed everything and has been something that has helped me scale to over $350,000 in just this year alone. And obviously to get to a point where I'm making that sort of money, $38,000 a month, $350,000 in a year, I've obviously had to invest into learning skills and invest into mentors to get me to that point. And when I've invested into myself time and time again, spent thousands of dollars, it has been a human to human interaction every single time. So every time I've been sold, every time I've invested money, it has been human to human. It has never been AI. I've never actually jumped on a call with an AI robot or something AI generated, but I can guarantee that I will never be sold talking to a robot, and proof of concept that it will never be replaced. And it's one of the best skills you can learn, not just so you know how to be a remote closer, but you learn communication, you learn how to sell. You can now sell yourself to businesses, to valuable people. If you learn how to sell, how to communicate, you are literally set for life. And that's not an understatement. Now, skill number 3, next up would be like content creation, building a personal brand, marketing, basically learning how to get attention, build authenticity that AI will never be able to replicate. Marketing 101. Essentially what it is, just quickly, is posting videos and content or learning marketing strategies through social media where sometimes you don't even have to show your face, that attract people to you or your product. And basically the brand does the selling off the back of that. So the business, the influencer will have those systems, the setter, the closer in place. Why AI can't replace it, especially in a creator economy, the economy we're in right now, where people crave authenticity, people crave stories and personality. AI can create videos. There is AI bots out there with, full-blown accounts. So it can copy your words, but it can't copy a real authentic story, and it doesn't have a personality, which is what, as I said, people crave. So my experience with content creation and building a personal brand, learning marketing, how to market, how to sell, is that opportunities are endless once you build a following and know how to attract attention. So if you know how to get attention, then it's literally game over for the rest of the competition, and it will change the whole trajectory of your life. If you can get attention off the back of that, you also know how to convert that attention into money, and you know how to sell. This is an evergreen way, and it is where the economy is going, but not even just like in the online world as well. If you know how to market in the real world, it's something that AI will never be able to replicate to the same extent that a human can. And you see it every day and a lot of you guys, your favorite streamers, your favorite influencers, you wouldn't even realize they're really selling anything because they're just creating content. They're funny, they're watchable, but just getting the mass attention that people like housnads get, iShowSpeed get. They get mass brand deals. They get paid per view because they can get so much attention. It doesn't even have to be selling like a digital product or even a physical product. They get paid a lot off brand deals because they can get attention, and the brand deals get money because they're willing to pay these big guys who know how to get attention a sum of money to promote a brand. You see it a lot with the online gambling and stuff nowadays, which is ridiculous. And then off the back of that, it's obviously the physical product side, drop shipping, physical products, things like that. And also, which is probably the best way, especially for the next 5 years, is the digital product aspect as well. No stock, no shipping, no bullshit pretty much, where if you can get attention, it basically drives traffic, and yeah, you make sales off the back of that. If you know how to get and attract attention, there's endless ways to generate an income. So it's not just one thing. If you know how to generate attention, you're going to have a mass amount of ways of generating an income, a sustainable income, an income that can be, pretty crazy, especially for just regular people like myself. And honestly, like all of these build into each other. So if you don't know how to set, you're not going to know how to close. And there's no point really knowing how to be the best marketer, because if you don't know how to sell or convert, a sale or a brand deal or something like that, then it's still going to come back to like that same problem where you can have 1 million eyeballs, but you're still not making money, which is a problem a lot of people face. So they sort of go hand in hand and step by step for what I would learn. Take it slowly. early, learn setting, get to 5, 10K a month. Once you've got more time, once you leave your job, then learn closing. And if you want to start building something for yourself, or have the potential to have multiple income streams and things like that, then you can jump into the content creation side of things, but only after you learn sales first. Now from there, sort of the next skill is team building. Obviously seems like a very simple skill, but a lot of leadership comes into it, and this is where people can still make the same money that content creators make, but these guys don't even have to show their faces. So essentially all that is learning team systemization, problem solution thinking. Businesses are crying out for. So there's always problems in people's businesses. There's always ways they could be making money, but they haven't got the time to, or they don't know how to. They haven't figured out a solution to the problem. Business 101 is problems and being able to solve those problems. That's how you get paid. And even here, this is where you can start to actually use AI to your advantage rather than let it, replace your job and replace potential income you could have made 10 years ago. So you might be wondering, what is team building, or how can I make money from this? It's basically essentially learning to lead, manage, and motivate people to work towards one vision. So, if you're building out a team for a fitness influencer, it could even be a sales team, or like a nurturing team, or a fulfillment team to make sure people have the best experience possible when investing into a product. Obviously, that's something that takes a lot of time off a business's hand, and you're going to get paid pretty well for that. Why AI can't replace it? Leadership is human. You're not going to have a group of 10 guys all working for the same end vision, all working for the same end goal if it's just a robot, you know what I mean? And there's ways you can sort of automate and make, a team run better by using AI. So using it to your advantage, as I said before. People need direction, not commands. A goal to hunt together. You will go further hunting as a pack rather than going at it alone. And my experience with this is once I started building my own team, so things like VAs, editing systems, posting systems, even my own setters and things like that, everything got easier. I wasn't burnt out 24/7 anymore. And even once again, it goes hand in hand with all this. Once you reach a certain level with content creation, you either hire someone to build a team for yourself, or you sort of learn that yourself, and then there's even more ways you can make money off the back of knowing how to sell, knowing how to market and get attention. You now know how to build teams, which say it all goes tits up, you're still going to have a backup plan or something where you can make a lot of money from. And not only like this, that I wasn't burnt out 24/7 anymore. It was a lesson that I learned that, if this was a problem for me with my own content, with my own personal brand, it would be a problem for a lot of people making a lot of money. Once again, leading to that problem solution. If it was a problem for me, who I guess you could sort of class as an influencer and a content creator, there's obviously going to be a problem for a lot of people like me. Once again, you're just creating solutions to that problem. An example I've got here is my boy Callum, who's never posted a bit of content in his life. Actually went through the same academy that I did, learned the exact same skills, learned how to set, learned how to close, and then made $40,000 in a single month around 8 months into his journey after going through the steps. So making a bit of money with setting, leaving his job, then learning how to close, closing for a bit, and then realizing the power of what if I can manage all of this? What if I can build teams around this with my skill of sales and help businesses not have to worry about that side of things? As you see here, to make this $40,000, he posted no content, he had no followers, he had no brand, he just learned sales, he just showed up, he's doing the work, especially the shit he didn't want to do. At the end of last year, he thought he'd have to build a personal brand, post content, and try to go viral to make real money online, and he didn't do any of that. He learned sales, he learned people, and he learned how to fix problems fast. Valuable, valuable, valuable. And once again, proof of concept, $40,000 in a month without having to post content. So if you can learn these skills that people need and then learn how to build teams, once you've got good at those skills yourself, you're pretty much set. You learn how to lead, manage, fix problems, you immediately become valuable to valuable people. That's all it is. You just need to be valuable to valuable people. And then for skill number 5, pretty much rounding off all this, like they do go hand in hand, and if you can learn one thing, go to the next, like you will literally make so much fucking money for the rest of your life. And the last sort of skill that can never be replaced or not done to the same extent that a human can do it is brand scaling, which essentially is combining everything you've learned over the years, over the months, what you've taken out of real life experiences, the lessons you've learned, the results that you've got yourself to prove that it does work. And then it's just a replicatable process to scale brands yourself. So you can build teams, but you can also build teams to scale. I don't know if a lot of you guys know him. This is Brez. He's probably one of the biggest guys in the make money online space right now, and he makes millions of dollars a month from scaling brands. Obviously went through his own transformation and now scales brands, does it very successfully, and basically just takes a percentage out of every business that he works for. Essentially what it is taking what works and turning it into systems so you can grow without starting over each month. A lot of businesses are starting up, maybe they're starting a new content strategy, or they could just hire someone like Brez. Here's 5% of my business to scale the brand. I'm gonna make a lot more money, so I'm happy to pay you that 5%, that 10%, the 20%, whatever they agree on. He's got a replicatable process that's worked for him and many others. It'll work every time because he's went through all these hardships with all these other things. And once again, you can have AI sort of help you with tasks to automate a lot of stuff to make it easier, but it can't replace the vision that you can cast to a business, the vision that you can cast upon a team. It can't replicate instinct or the experiences that you've had, or almost more importantly, AI, if it were to start brand scaling, it's not going to be able to market the brand scaling. So Brez obviously markets himself as a brand scaler. So people will come to Brez because he's good at getting attention. Might be good at getting attention, but he also knows how to sell. He's also got a sales team to then sell his services, which is brand scaling at scale, which is something AI just can't build out, never will. And even if it could, it's still not going to sell or market to the same ability as we discussed over here as a human would. So my experience with sort of this is once I stopped chasing, shiny new ideas, the new next way I can make an extra $10,000 a month, and just doubled down on what worked, doubled down on systems, teams, sales, marketing. That's when I scaled to over $350,000, which was just this year alone. And not only this, but it's a replicatable process. So now if all went to shit, I already have a 50K a month business in the background for myself because I've gone through the trials, the failures, and I've built skill sets along the way. So essentially what I mean by that is, say my personal brand, my content, it got shut down, I couldn't get a sales role, or I got blacklisted from remote closing, which obviously is not going to happen, but say I lost fucking everything. I had nothing else to do. I have a 50K business a month minimum that I could start up if I wanted to with brand scaling, because I've built my own brand. I've got sales skills behind me. I've gone through all the shit that it took to get me to this point where, I've been able to make this sort of money. Obviously I've got the proof there. And because I know how to market myself, get attention, I could start an account from the ground up, promote my brand scaling, get marketing, get eyeballs, then sell my services. All you need is 5 businesses that are going to pay you 10K a month to scale their own brands, which they'll happily do if you've got the results to back it. And then you got 50K a month minimum. Just wrapping up, these are, the 5 skills I'd follow. I'd obviously start with these 2 most importantly. And then, obviously these are a bit later down the line, but it just goes to show, not all hope is lost. And if anything, you can use AI to your advantage to make even more money when building teams, building systems, and things like that. So the mindset I want a lot of you guys to get into, and something I see a lot is people freaking out that AI is taking over the world, but AI is not the problem. The problem is people relying on one skill and no willingness to evolve and learn new skills, learn stuff like this, and thinking that, it won't last forever, AI, it'll dip off, or, I'll be right. Surely nothing could happen to me. Or even worse, just settling and giving up and thinking they're safe, and even being oblivious to what's about to happen. The truth is things are changing faster than anyone can keep up with, but the people who will always win and continue to win are the people who can do the stuff that AI can't, or people who can do stuff better than AI will ever be able to do. Which, put simply, as we just discussed there, is talking and communication, selling, leading, and getting proven results, building trust through real world experiences that can't be replicated, through failures, through trials, through tribulations. If you focus on stacking one skill at a time, it might be a bit of a grind, it might take 6 months, it might take 12 months, but I assure you that you will never have to worry about being replaced. And not just have to worry about being replaced, but you'll make a fuck ton of money and literally set yourself up for life. And eventually, as we just discussed towards the end of that presentation, you will then have a multitude of ways to make money for a lifetime if something all goes to shit. This is exactly how I built everything I have now. A life that I love, a life of freedom, a life where I can chase freedom now for my family, which was never possible in a 9 to 5. There's no magic software, there's no shortcuts, just skills, real skills, high income skills, and stacking those skills over an extended period of time. So pick one of the 5. I would highly recommend appointment setting or closing to start off with, and go all in for the next 6 months. Then in due time, once you've started to make some money, understand the concepts, maybe you've even been able to leave your job, step into content creation, figure out problems yourself, go through that stuff, then have the ability to help other people facing the same problems and scale to the moon. And just watch how different your life will be come the end of 2026. I'm living proof. I was in your guys' shoes no longer than 2 years ago. Now that's a wrap for today's video. I hope it was of value. I hope you sort of see the importance of learning skills like this to make sure you'll never get left behind, but more importantly, you'll set yourself up and the people you love up for life. I'll leave a video down below on setting, on closing, on content creation, on high income skills like sales and marketing. And also, if you're wanting to learn these skills properly from the right people, the same people that trained me up, got me to the position I'm in today, people that have been in the space for 10 to 15 years and have trained up thousands of people to get the same results, I'll leave a link down below to book in a call with my team to see if this is the right fit for you. 2026 is going to be a big year. I can't wait to see all you guys absolutely crush it, and reach out to me on Instagram as well if you got any questions. I'll leave that down below. And yeah, cheers guys.